Welcome to VIS, your partner in technology transformation journey. Trusted by small, medium, and large enterprises across domains, VIS Networks is proficient in consulting and fulfilling their digital transformation, cloud enablement, and CX management requirements. Our unique, effective, and reliable solutions are deployed across industries and verticals such as IT, ITES, telecom, BFSI, automobile, aerospace, healthcare, and e-commerce. The quest for excellence in digital transformation and customer experience management in VIS started with a group of highly skilled and motivated industry experts coming together with an aim to establish themselves as thought leaders in the chosen technology domain. Large-scale geographical expansion multiplied by an exponential revenue growth is supported by tens of hundreds of skilled and devoted team members spread across the globe. The futuristic vision, we facilitate our customers with solutions in their digital transformation and cloud journey. In our dedicated R&D and software development centers, we build highly innovative software products in the field of cloud, robotics, and automation. Our state-of-the-art offerings include customer experience management, collaboration services, managed services, cloud services, application development, robotics and automation.
Achieving customer delight through skilled, energized resources and processes have been the core of VI's existence in last 8 years. Our geographical and portfolio expansion have been well thought out while keeping market trends and our customer growth in mind. Our adoption of new technologies like automation, machine learning, AI, etc. are redefining our growth areas, while our focus will continue to deliver better experience management solutions to enterprise and mid-market customers alike. We commit to reach out to you with customized state-of-art products and solutions attached with services and care with renewed vigor.
Bachelor's.
Where did you meet? Where did you meet? I mean, management, right?
I in Bangalore.
Bangalore.
In Bangalore schedule and Chennai. Date schedule. So 11, 12 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. First 4, 5 ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವು 11, 12 ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay. So
Axis is a high-performance, yet simple and lightweight reporting solution, which enables you to extract data from multiple databases and generate dynamic reports on a single interface. Axis has built-in connectors for major RDBMS and support for writing any custom DB connectors as well. Circle, a platform to efficiently manage all missed, scheduled calls while improving agents' productivity by better managing their time and improved customer experience. CRM Connectors. CRM Connectors enable an integrated end-to-end agent desktop solution with omni-channel communication capabilities. On a single interface, customer interactions across all touch points. Voice, chat, and email are managed. By CRM integration, the contact center's computer telephony integration (CTI) controls are enabled on a single CRM console. The connectors are not only simple and cost-effective, but also a necessity for contact centers, which are keen to build and maintain long-lasting relationship with customers. Desktop is an effective tool designed to provide a single window access to call management and operational activities performed by call center agents.